Hello guys, I am Shanmugapriya, lecturer in SNS College of Allied Health Science. In the last section, we have seen a topic under Principles of Anesthesia 1, that is Safety Features of Anesthesia Machine. In this section, we will be continuing with checking of anesthesia machine. So the first it comes under power supply. Switch on the power supply and turn on machine. Ensure emergency ventilation equipment is ready and functioning. AMBU. Artificial manual breathing unit. Pipeline and cylinders. Check that all gas cylinders are turned off and that there is no pressure in gas lines. Check gauges are all zero. One gas test for oxygen. Connect the high pressure gas hose for oxygen to correct valve outlet and do a tuck test. Make sure the oxygen flow meter tubes shows 25 to 75 ml per minute. Then the other flow meter tubes must show no gas flow. Open all flow tubes and check that only oxygen flows. Low oxygen pressure alarm set. Keep the oxygen flow meter open. Disconnect piped O2 supply, and when the gauge reaches zero, an audible alarm occurs. Turn off all the flow meters. Connect the high pressure gas hose for nitrous oxide to correct valve outlet. Open nitrous oxide flow meter, and if the machine is fitted with hypoxic gas mixture protection, no flow will occur through the nitrous oxide rotameter until the oxygen supply is turned back on. Turn off all flow meters. Connect the oxygen pipeline. Turn the N2O, that is nitrous oxide flow tube. As the nitrous oxide flow increases, oxygen flow also increases. Sensors. Calibrate the oxygen and flow sensors as per the anesthesia workstation guidelines. Rotameter. Ensure that each bobbin rises and rotates freely when its own gas is flowing. Turn off each flow meter control and check the position of bobbin with no gas. Vaporizers. Check if the vaporizer can be turned on and off. Check if the vaporizers contain a sufficient amount of correct liquid agent. Check the filling and emptying ports are fully closed. Ensure that only one vaporizer is mounted on the anesthetic machine. If the vaporizer is mounted via a Selectotech fitting, check if it is locked in the place. Emergency oxygen button. Push button to check function. Breathing system. Check that the gas supply is connected to the selected breathing system. Remove any unused breathing systems from the anesthetic machine. Circle absorption system. Soda line check that this is not exhausted. Breathing hoses. Check that the breathing hoses are firmly and correctly connected. Valve function and leaks in the breathing system. Close the APL valve and close the patient connection end of the Y-piece. Depress the emergency oxygen button to fill the breathing bag and to raise the pressure in the system to 30 centimeter H2O. Maintain the pressure in the system for 5 seconds to check for leaks. Open the APL valve and check that the gas spills easily when the bag is squeezed. Check if the unidirectional valves are functioning properly. Disconnect the spare breathing bag and replace with a mask suitable for the patient. Bain circuit. Visual check of the integrity of the inner and outer tubes and their connections. Flush test. Pethiks test. For the inner tube, operate the emergency oxygen button and confirm that the reservoir bag collapsed slightly due to Venturi effect. Do not close the patient end. Leak test for the outer tube. Operate the emergency oxygen button and confirm that the reservoir bag. Occlude the patient end of the vein. Operate the emergency button so that the bag fills. Maintain the pressure in the system for 5 to 10 seconds to check for leaks. Open the spill valve. Check that the gas spills easily when the bag is squeezed. Place a suitable mask on the patient connector. Ventilator check. Place a bag on the Y piece. Set the ventilator to volume control mode. Tidal volume 8 ml per kg. Respiratory rate is 14 per minute. IE ratio 1 is to 2. PEEP 0 to 5. Turn ventilator on and fill the bellows with oxygen flush. Set the air 11 liters per minute. Ensure that the bellows are functioning well and the bag at the end of Y piece is moving well. Monitors, connect cables to the monitors, turn monitors on, check monitors are functioning correctly. Thank you.